Hello, everyone. In today's video, we witness the power of Mother Nature with super typhoons as they make landfall, all caught on camera.
China's National Meteorological Administration has issued an orange alert for extreme weather, with thunderstorms and strong winds of up to 150 kilometers per hour sweeping through Beijing, Tianjin, and Hebei province. With wind gusts up to level 9 to 11 in the plains and above level 13 in the mountains. Beijing authorities had to issue the first orange wind warning in nearly 10 years. The city government has declared a state of emergency and is also reminding residents to minimize or suspend outdoor activities and stay away from trees, billboards, and temporary structures. In many areas, wind gusts reach force 12 on the Beaufort scale, indicating extremely dangerous weather conditions and causing serious damage. In Sanmanja, Hunan province, wind gusts reach 47 meters per second, equivalent to force 15. Other national meteorological stations also recorded similar severe weather conditions, with gusts reaching force 12 in areas such as Fujian, Pinglu, and Niani. Strong winds blew dust and sand all over the city, reducing visibility and making it difficult for pedestrians. Many people had to seek temporary shelter to avoid the dust, and traffic was also severely affected. Winds knocked down 703 trees in Beijing, while 693 flights were canceled at Beijing's two airports, Beijing Capital International Airport and Daxing International Airport. To ensure public safety, Beijing has temporarily closed 15 above-ground railway sections, affecting a total of 106 stations and more than 200 kilometers of track. In Sichuan province, strong winds ripped off roofs of houses, leaving debris strewn across the streets. At small street-side eateries, when strong winds blew through, the tarpaulins immediately flew away, and tables and chairs were knocked over all over the sidewalk. Parks and tourist attractions were closed as officials asked people to avoid outdoor activities. Construction work and food service were suspended amid strong winds. winds dominated social media chats, with many people expressing concern for food delivery workers braving the conditions. In weather like this, we can choose not to order delivery. It's too hard for them, one Weibo user wrote. In Hebei's Shijiazhuang and Laiyuan County, falling trees and debris forced road closures, and sandstorms prompted additional nighttime shutdowns. People in northern China have begun assessing the damage and launching recovery efforts. Roads are being cleared, power is gradually being restored, and damaged structures are being repaired across many provinces. But beyond the obvious damage, the storm also leaves a stark reminder. It shows how nature can swing from calm to chaos in the blink of an eye, and how fragile our daily routines are in the face of extreme weather. This is more than just a spring storm. It is also a reminder of climate change and the urgent need to prepare for the unexpected in the future. Experts warn that extreme weather events like this could become more frequent due to global climate change,